All right, guys, I'm standing here with images behind me. It's our newest VIP. It's Brad Holtz from WTTS, one of my favorite radio shows to listen to in the entire week. It's over easy on Sunday mornings. Got a great voice. We're going to do multi-unit hair grafting with him next week. We're going to address the frontal hairline, thicken it up, and do that area in the crown as well. So we're going to meet Brad, learn a little bit about the process for next week, and follow him at his VIP page at We Grow Hair Indy.
Hey, Darren.
There he is. Brad. Hi, buddy.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. So,
Great to be here.
We met 2 years ago. What changed in the mindset so far as wanting to actually do something about it now?
I guess I just thought about it more. I continued to see VIPs that were having success, and I felt like I could talk about this. I wasn't as embarrassed. In talking with you, I felt this would be a relatively simple procedure, and there'd be great results. And I feel really confident about what's going to happen. So I think that's the difference.
And excited to have your own VIP page, of course.
Yeah, sure, of course.
Yep. So guys, we're going to follow on that VIP page at We Grow Hair Indy. We're going to talk a little bit about the process today, and next week, multi-unit hair grafting, going to make them even better looking and thicken up that frontal hairline in the crown area. So we're excited.
Let's do it.
When you design a hairline, it has to be age specific, but you've got to be able to carry it as you continue to age. The footprint of where we'll transplant is marked out within the Sharpie lines here. You can see how far up we have to go. Where the delineation is, where the density starts, is quite a ways back. So by bringing that forward, but keeping that natural shape, we're going to give him a really nice age specific look. Kind of just show you how nice and strong the hair is up in here. We talk about that global approach of doing things to keep what's already up there, as well as putting back what you've lost. So Brad's doing some preventative modalities already. You can already see how nice that hair is outside of the transplant area. If you look at the crown area, so we've got the Sharpie of where we're going to transplant. We're going to treat this whole area like it's bald. We do not have to shave the top of the head. The transplant area, we will take this down short so we can get the existing hair out of the way and really get that extra 5 to 10% of density that we can get when we do that. We will match this swirl pattern, work up into his strong hair, and really give a nice natural look. Donor hair is beautiful, fine hair, but excellent density. So he's really going to transplant nicely. This is going to look fantastic. Yep. All right, Brad, so sort of stepping you through what happens on procedure day. This is the medical assistant's office. So you'll come in through here to start the day, then you'll come through into pre-procedure room. This is where the hairline design is done on procedure day. Kind of talk about the game plan, kind of what's going to happen for the day, talk about where the hairline's going to go, design, prep the harvest area. About 20 minutes in here, half an hour. Doc comes in, goes over things with you. Then we're going to come through to where the action happens. One of the state-of-the-art procedure rooms. So we have 3 rooms in here for about 4 hours. So of course, with the medication we use, it seems like that. We're very comfortable in there. It's a smooth process. A lot of guys, it's like, okay, have we started? And we're just about finished. So that's the beauty of modern medicine, right? Before you're done, we're going to call whoever's going to come pick you up. And we like to kind of go over your post-procedure directions with that person. So we're going to go down through to the post-procedure room. Directions that night are pretty simple. You're going to go home, you're going to put your feet up. You're going to ice the harvest area in the back, and you're going to ice the forehead where we put the grafts, just below the grafts in the frontal hairline area. Keep the ice away from the grafts though. Okay. At night, that fluid that we inject into the area starts to drain away. So by staying upright as late into the night as you can, it helps that to just evenly drain away and the body metabolize it. So we come through here, we'll kind of give you a rundown on how the post-procedure room looks. So come on in here. You can watch a little TV afterwards, put your feet up, go over those directions, and then you're back the next morning for a wash and check of the grafted area, which takes about a half an hour. You're fine to drive the next day. You want someone driving you home after the procedure.
All right.
Then after the procedure, you exit out through this way. So everything is really isolated procedure day to stay within the procedure suite. And that's it.
Perfect.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.